This video will help guide you through the setting up of the Piavet stationary base station. Plug the power supply cord and the Ethernet cable into the Piavet base station. The unit will start booting with a yellow LED light pattern. The entire booting process between the Piavet base station and the Ethernet connection takes approximately 1.5 to 3 minutes to complete. After the unit has fully booted, you will see a blue LED light pattern while the Piavet base station searches for the Ethernet connection. A successful connection between the Piavet base station and the Ethernet connection will be represented when the unit lights up in solid blue. If the LED light ring is completely blue, the Piavet base station has a strong Ethernet connection, and the unit is ready to take measurements from up to 4 Piavet measuring devices. If the LED light pattern is white and blue, this is an indication there is a poor Ethernet connection. You can start 2 measurements without any problems. The sync mode is still active as well. If the LED light pattern is half white and half blue, you can start 1 measurement without any problems, and the sync mode is still active as well. If the LED light pattern is mostly white and a small amount of blue, you can start 1 measurement, but it might have interruptions due to low connectivity. If your Piavet base station cannot connect to your LAN because of firewall issues, the LED light pattern of the base station will circle in red. After about 5 to 7 minutes without a connection, the Piavet base station will begin to reboot and attempt another connection. If the Piavet base station continues to circle in a red LED light pattern, please check with your IT team for further firewall instructions. We certainly thank you for your time and hope that this video tutorial helps you with the installation of your new Piavet stationary base station.